I doing this? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My hair looks crazy today because we are going to do a Harley Quinn makeup tutorial. I look crazy right now. Let's get started. We're going to start by using the e.l.f. poreless putty primer, which is this little thing. I'm going to apply this using the brush that I usually use to apply it, which is, I don't think I ever said, the Real Techniques targeted blending brush. I'm just going to load the brush up with quite a product. So for foundation, since Harley is very pale because of the whole, what was it, bleach thing that she fell into, like the toxic, yeah, you know what I mean. I'm going to use my lightest foundation, which is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Light. And I'm going to try, keyword being try, mixing a little bit of the NYX Professional Makeup eyeshadow base. My concealer might be a little bit too dark now. Yeah. So, the white eyeshadow base. And just sort of conceal with that. I'll try to at least. Now we're going to powder, and I think to powder I'm going to use this Norvina palette, the collection volume 1, yeah. I'm going to take the white eyeshadow, and I'm going to take it on a fairly big brush and just powder my skin. So now we look completely crazy. It's fine. It's fine. I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Floral Blush in Honolulu Hideaway. It's pink colour. Why am I doing this? Brows? For brows, I'm going to use the Max Factor Brow Shaper in the shade Dark Brown? Deep Brown. Oh, that's a bit better. So I'm going to use the Norvina Volume 2 palette, which is, if I can open it, this blue one. Ooh, it looks like this on the outside. We've used it before. So we're going to leave that one where it is right now. And now we're going to move on to the next eye, which is going to be red. I don't have many reds. So I have 2 palettes. I'm going to start off using the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. I'm just gonna drag little pieces down, slightly more defined, like lines kind of thing. Just to add a bit of dimension and depth. So we're gonna add glitter. I'm gonna take this like royal blue, bright blue glitter. And then dragging it down and like so now I have this red glitter. Look at that. Okay, so for liner, I'm just going to do a teeny wing, nothing special, but I'm not going to connect the line all the way in the inner corner. A little bit of highlight just up here, to like the tops of the cheekbones. Even a little bit over the tears, make them look like they're stained on her face. She has a little heart on her face like here. So I have these little diamante ones. I know hers is like a black heart, but I wanted to go for like quite a cute aesthetic. I'm going to write the word rotten down here. And lastly for lips, I'm going to use this LMX lip liner and this red Rimmel London Apocalypse red lip velvet in the shade Burning Lava. And to get like the smudge effect, I'm going to use the eyeshadow again, mainly because I don't want it to stain.